Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you Mars in the 12th house. What all happens when Mars is present in the 12th house of a Lagan Patrika, that is your birth chart. But before that, if you want to know where your Mars is placed and what all results it's giving, then you may watch my previous videos on Mars in all the houses. As this is going to be my final video on Mars is in 12th house. After that I'll be starting Rahu in all the houses. So let's understand what Mars is. Mars is a planet which shows aggression in you. It shows how much disciplined you are towards your goals. It's an energy which keeps you working towards your plans, towards your activities. If a task is given to you, how responsibly, how on time you will be able to complete that task is shown by position of Mars, how dignified results, how dignified position Mars is sitting in. If Mars is giving results of good nakshatra and upnakshatra, that is a star lord and the sub lord, and it's an exalted position or conjunct with good planets or aspected by favorable planets, then Mars will help a person to complete the task on time. If you will ask them or if any responsibility will be given to them, they will be able to perform that duty on time. Wherein on the other hand, if Mars is in debilitated position or not giving the good results, then the person will not be able to perform his duties. He will be very lazy, lethargic, and will not perform whatever the duties will be given to them on time. So let's understand further the 12th house. What is 12th house? But before that, I will request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep on making these videos for you. Please do that. I'm sure you have done that. So let's understand what is 12th house. 12th house is a house of hospital. 12th house shows expenses. 12th house shows spirituality in a person's life. 12th house is a house of intuition. 12th house shows a research work. 12th house also shows foreign travels and settlement abroad. It's a house which shows foreign language. So when Mars comes here, the persons always will be inclined to travel abroad, even if they will not be willing to travel abroad, but somehow things will turn up in this manner, like they will be working, they would get a work in a foreign company, or they will easily get a chance to travel abroad. These people always talk to people who are in their work also. They will be talking to people who are living abroad. Their connection with abroad becomes very fruitful here. They always remain connected with foreign travels. Regularly they travel abroad. And these people have a tendency of learning new languages also. They keep on doing research work. They always go in depth of everything. If any task is given to them, these people will be able to scrutinize those things very easily. They can easily find any fault if Mars is sitting in the 12th house. By Mars here also aspects your 3rd house, 7th house and the 8th house. So by aspecting your 7th house, Mars brings disharmony with your spouse here. They won't be having good relations with your spouse with the Mars placement in the 12th house, because by sitting in the 12th house, it is aspecting your 4th house, 7th house, 8th house. So that makes your 3rd house, 7th house and 8th house. So communication with your wife, with your spouse will remain very rough here. So they need to check that. If Mars is conjunct with malefic planets like Rahu, Ketu, Shani, or even if Mars is aspected by any malefic planet, then the negative results of Mars will get magnified. Here Mars will get relief if Jupiter will get conjunct with Mars here. Then since it's a friendly planet and it will help Mars to minimize the negative results of Mars here. So these people always work behind the scenes. These people, it's a good combination if it comes in a person who is into media and creativity, because their creativity and fiction rises a lot. If Mars comes in your 12th house, their intuition, their subconscious mind rises a lot. They will become very creative, and they will do on a different level when it comes to creativity. So from this placement, you may see, directors or people, those who are into creativity and media heads, can be seen by this placement. These people will not be able to save money. They are, always they keep on spending money, and they don't even realize, because they remain very aggressive while spending here. By this placement, if Mars is, giving the result of star lord and sub lord of 6th house, 8th house or 12th house, or 6th or 12th house, or 8th or 12th house, then person will not be saving any money in his life. Or if 8th and 12th house gets connected with 1st house, then it's sure during the dasha bhukti or antara of Mars, the person will get hospitalized even, or suffer much losses when the DBA will be coming of Mars here. If Mars is position in good nakshatra and upanakshatra, that is benefic star lord and sub lord, that is of 11th house or 2nd house or 7th house, then these placement only will help. Or if Mars is sitting in the star lord and the sub lord of 5th house, 9th house, or giving the result of 11th house, then the negative results of the Mars will get reduced to a greater extent. So guys, this was my analysis on Mars in the 12th house. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with others too. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Namaskar.